Hello Excelers and welcome. Thanks for joining me today for another How to Excel at Excel.com Excel tip video. Don't forget to click on the subscribe button below to get notified when there's a new Excel tip available here on my YouTube channel. And if you want to sign up for the How to Excel at Excel newsletter, which gives you 3 free Excel tips every month direct to your inbox, there's a link below in the description box there. And when you sign up, you'll get my free ebook, which has got my top 30 Excel tips. Okay, let's get started on today's Excel.
Today I'm going to show you 2 ways that you can highlight today's date in your data set. So if you need today's records highlighting in your list of orders or your schedule, I'm going to show you 2 ways to do it. The first way is to highlight with some conditional formatting all the records that have today's date, and I'm also going to show you how to put a little symbol next to it. Some people like that, it's a bit more visually appealing, and you might fancy just having a tick next to today's records. So as you can see, today is the 21st of January 2018. Okay, let's get started. Okay, the first method uses conditional cell formatting. So let's highlight any of these records in our data set that match today's date. So highlight your data set, go to Home, go to the Styles group, Conditional Formatting, and we want to create a new rule. Now, we've got a lot of options there. The one we want is use a formula to determine which cells to format. And what we want to do is create a condition that when it is true, the cells get highlighted in whichever colour we decide. So the formula is equals A2, as we're starting to look in column A2. And let's make that column absolute, equal to today. So this will take the first cell in our data set and see if it matches today. Let's select the type of formatting. I'm just going to select green. Hit. So you can see today's date's been highlighted. Okay, the second method is where we can insert a symbol against today's records. So this takes a little bit more setting up, but a little bit more visually appealing to some users. So the first thing we do is select the first cell where in the data set where you want the symbol to appear. Now what we want to do is insert a symbol. Now you can choose from whatever symbol you want. I've selected the font wingdings and the tick. I've inserted that in the first one. Then double click and put those against every one of your data records. What we then want to do is change the font colour to white, so it gives the appearance that there's nothing in those cells. So the final stage is to conditionally format this column and make the tick visible if the date in this column equals today. So highlight where we want to format. Again, go to the Home tab, the Styles group, Conditional Formatting. Let's create a new rule and use a formula again, and it's the same formula. So it's A2, A2. Let's make that absolute on the column. Is equal to today. Click the format, and this time we want to format the font and we want to make it black when that condition is met, which is today's date. Hit OK, hit OK again, and there we have Excel putting a tick against today's record. So that's it, guys. That's 2 ways to highlight today's date in your data set. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, leave a comment, and I'll see you again for another How to Excel at Excel.com videos.